All right, so that's what I saw. Now that's looking at Mars. So let's go to the next one. I mean, the image quality kind of sucks, and I'm holding this webcam. Oops, that was on a trip to somewhere. Okay, there's another image of it. I'm sorry for the pixelation and all that, but it appears to be shiny, silvery, cylindrical, more or less. There's another one of it, and then that was now that was in reverse order. That was the first one, and then the second one, and so on and so forth. So I don't know what it is. I've gotten all kinds of things, and so some of the people, I put it on Facebook on one of the astronomy things that I belong to, and some people are just idiots. And I mean, I'm not saying it's a spacecraft or anything like that. I mean, it could be any number of things. You know, the ISS was suggested, but the ISS is traveling, around the Earth. It's lickety split. And this, I was able to watch this for 5 or 6 minutes because I ran in and got my point and shoot and took pictures. Then I ran in and got my 35 millimeter, not 35 millimeter, well, my mirrorless Canon M50, but I couldn't get it to function because I don't know what it was set at, and I wanted to try to take some pictures before it left. I didn't think to use the screen capture function on the computer. I don't know if that would work. It will probably work. So we'll have to mess around with that a little bit and see what happens. So I don't know what that is. People said bugs and all that, although bugs don't normally shine. And it appeared to change its orientation. It was more of a profile, whichever side of the profile, I guess, would be the thinner side. So, I mean, I don't know. It was interesting. I hope to see something like that again. I think the night tonight is going to be pretty ugly as far as stargazing. So, yeah, but I was out last night, and I was working actually on the auto guide, and I was dialing in, and that was Mars, as I said. So I was dialing Mars in, and I mean, as far as the auto tracking, the auto guiding, it works fine. So I mean, it tracks right along. I'm just trying to get my telescope, my 152, clear. So, I mean, I did look at Mars again last night. It was just splotchy. So I'm going to try to I put a 0.5 focal reducer in it, but that didn't seem to help what I'm trying to accomplish anyway. So I didn't realize it was only 9:30 or so. So I probably saw that around 9 o'clock. And I thought it was later. I was looking at the time on the computer, and that's not accurate. And it said it was like 11:56. I said, oh man, I've been at this 5-6 hours, so I'm going to pack it in and go home, where I was home, and go to sleep. So, all right, well, listen, please subscribe and like, and I'm hoping to find more stuff. I don't know if I found anything. I found something, whatever it is. If it's a bug on the lens, I don't think it is, because I think a bug on the lens would be out of focus. But I'm not really sure. I'm going to experiment, and I'm going to talk to somebody that knows more about cameras and things like that than I do, because I don't know diddly. All right, thanks again. As I said, please subscribe and like, and have a wonderful day. We'll see you again.